Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evita, and on my channel I like to post videos about cash stuffing, my monthly budget, and also my journey to becoming debt free. If that sounds like something you'll be interested in, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you find yourself enjoying today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But in today's video, we are going to be stuffing $115. So let's go ahead and count the money. All right, so we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15. So we have $115. So I am going to be stuffing a few different things in this binder. Vitamins is going to get $10. If you don't know, I have been plant-based for about a very long time, since about the end of 2011. So yeah, I've been plant-based for a long time, and I need to take a certain amount of vitamins. You guys, I don't know what today's date is. It is the 23rd. All right, but yeah, I have to take a certain amount of vitamins. I am plant-based again, and I do buy my vitamins from Whole Foods, so they can be a little pricey. So now vitamins has 20, 40, 55. And I buy my vitamins probably like I try to get like 90 day supply, and I buy them like every 3 months. I try. Sometimes I can only buy them like a 60 day. So therefore I buy them like some of them every 2 months. Every 2 to 3 months is when I buy them. Let's see. Student loans will get $5. You guys, I can't wait until I can start paying off my student loans. They are, of course, it's like $41,000. That includes my daughter's though. And I told her, baby, you gonna have to pay that yourself. Especially once she start working in her career, like she wants to own her own business. So especially when she gets that, I'm like, hey, you gonna have to pay this back, honey. But now student loans has 50, 100, 20, 30, 135. Next, dental is going to get 5 as well. I have been having a few dental problems, so I might be making a dental appointment pretty soon. This is so I can have some dental repair done, but I can go ahead and use it for just a regular appointment, I guess. I don't know. I do still have my HSA, so I might not even need to use this. So now dental should have 55. So 20, 40, 55. I'm sorry if you can hear my neighbor playing the drums. They do it all the time. So I do apologize if it's picking up on my camera. 1 month ahead, I know isn't going to get anything. Car registration will get $5. You know what? Give me a second while I write these down so I can know that I filled it. All right, again, car registration will get $5. So now car registration will only have $5. So just 5. Next is going to be P.O. Box. P.O. Box is going to get $5 as well. And then that's all that P.O. Box will have as well. Sam's Club is going to get 5 as well. I guess I was on a giving $5 to every envelope kick. So the 23rd. So now all Sam's Club has is $5 as well. And of course there I go again, not writing it down. 5. I don't think I did taxes yet. Nope. So taxes will get $20. You guys, I'm probably talking about this in every video this week. Why did I get audited and I owe a lot of money? Well, a lot to me when you're on a budget, like over $1,000, but it's not a lot of money for some people. but when you're on a strict budget, that is a lot of money. But taxes will get $20, so I am going to have to put that on a credit card, because guess what? I don't have it saved up, and I don't really feel like it's an emergency, so I'm not going to use my emergency fund. And now taxes only have $20, so I'm not going to use that as my emergency, or use my emergency fund on that. I'm gonna just put it on the credit card, y'all, because the next credit card I start paying off in October will be my, it's no longer, it's my Gap card, but it's a MasterCard now, and I am going to start paying that off aggressively. So it's just going to have to go on that. And back to school is empty because we already went school shopping. They are already back in school. So I'm gonna just put shopping because it's already empty. No need to put all the different stores. And I had already took, I don't know if you guys can see that, I had already took this $50 and put it towards shopping as well. So back to school now has $0. And nothing's going in there today. All right, so I am now going to go to, nope, I'm missing my, did I already put something in travel? This is why I say I need to do it as I go. Travel is probably not even in this binder. Oh yes, it is. So travel will get $10. I don't know how I skipped this one. So now I do owe $5 to travel, so it's gonna have $132. I just need to add that $5 to it. So now travel should have $121. What did I say? $132. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. Oh, I'm about to say, wait a minute. Yeah, no, what would one of my videos be if I didn't mess up, you know? So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. Again, I owe travel $5, so that is why it's not $137 that you see here. Usually I'll just put a sticky note on there like, hey, you need to put money in here. And of course I will. All right, so travel got 10. Now I am also stuffing my birthdays binder. So I am done with my sinking fund binder. And now on to my birthdays binder. Sorry for shaking the camera. So others' birthday. Okay, yep. So, oh, facing the wrong way. So the twins' birthday will get $10 each. Their birthday is the beginning of the year, so I'm going to start saving for that as well. All right, so Joe's birthday now has $10. Did I close that back up? What is wrong with me? Oh wait, no, that's the wrong one. Y'all, I'm losing my mind. All right, Joe's birthday now has $10. And then Saya will get the same. Y'all, what am I doing? He will get $10. Of course, they're twins, so their birthday is on the exact same thing. But although there do be some twins that are born on different days, but my twins have the same birthday. So now Josiah has 10 as well. Next birthday is going to be, let's see, Other's birthday. You know what? Let me write this down. Other's birthday will get 10. Zion will get nothing. Already bought Zion's gift, so his envelope has nothing. His birthday is in November, but it was a good deal and I couldn't pass it up, so I just went ahead and bought it. So Other's birthday will get $10 as well. My aunt's birthday was this month. My aunt's birthday was the beginning of this month. We went up to Ohio for her 50th birthday party and I gave her money, so that is why Others is empty, or was empty, but now it has $10. So the last envelope that I am going to stuff is going to be my holidays envelope. Thanksgiving is going to get 20, and I think that makes it, oops, let me bring this up, makes it done. Yep, now my Thanksgiving envelope is finished. Now when it comes to Thanksgiving, we typically don't do anything. I just have this cash just in case, like we get invited to a Thanksgiving dinner or something like that. I don't plan on, I don't do turkey. Of course, I'm plant-based, but still, I don't even know how to cook a turkey, so. Oh, I'm sorry. So now Thanksgiving has 24, 40, 60, 80, 100, and then that's all. And then I am finished stuffing my Sinking Fun binder, my birthdays binder, and also my holidays binder. I don't know why I thought I was only stuffing my Sinking Funds binder, but you know, y'all know it's never what I say. But if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye!